Hello students, welcome to GC Tech Hub CS tutorials. So I'm back with another question on stacks. So you can see over here, given a list L which contains some elements, define a function to push all those elements to a stack from this list which are divisible by 5. The stack should be implemented as a list. So here you can see the elements which are divisible by 5 are 10, 25, 30, 85. Okay, so all those elements which are divisible by 5 will be pushed to the stack. So here one more element I'll add. Now for doing these kind of questions, the very first thing is I'll start with main, and first I will start with initializing the list. So already the list is given in the question. Just you can paste this first to check. This is a dummy list which I am creating, just to check whether my program is working properly or not, because later on I can replace it by a statement which asks from the list, asks for a list from the user, that is enter a list. Okay, so I'm going to hide this statement right now. Later on I will unhide this statement and hide the previous dummy list statement. Now I'm going to create a function here, because it has been specified in the question that I have to define a function which will do the operation. So def stack or push stack. The list is already in the main area, so your function will automatically look for the list if I am using it in the enclosed area. Now I have to define a stack, so this stack I am going to define over here. Stack equals empty stack for item in L. If item, now what is it? All those elements which are divisible by 5. So if item is divisible by 5, if I divide item by 5 and it gives us remainder 0, that means it is divisible by 5, then stack dot append item. That's all in this function. Then we come to the main, and here we just call the function that is push stack and print the stack, and let's see what it gives us. So you can see it gives us this answer, the desired answer which we wanted. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide this statement here and unhide this one. So, and I'm going to run the question, run the program, and enter a list of my own. So I have entered a list of my own, and now you can see what is there in the stack, these elements. So this is how, and now in this I can also add one statement, stack is equals to stack. So whatever is contained in the stack will be displayed. So very simple program which you can do it very easily. Okay, you'll be given a sequence out of which you have to choose some elements which fulfill a certain criteria and send them to a